How to add emergency contacts on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In this video we are going to discuss how we can add emergency contacts on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add emergency contacts on iPhone, you can just try opening the health application on your iPhone and then tap the profile icon from the top right of the screen. From here on, you can just try to go to medical ID, and here you can see emergency contacts. So if you want to add more, tap the edit option from the top right hand side of the screen, and then make sure to actually scroll down to emergency contacts, tap on add emergency contacts, search for the contact you want to add and tap the done option, and they will get successfully added. If you want to remove it also, you can tap the red button there and then tap the done option to save the changes, and your emergency contacts will get successfully added. This way you can add emergency contacts to iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.